Welcome back to Hobbies and Stuff in the Shed. So today I'm gonna do something little like a quick little thing. Let me show you what I got on the go. I have a brand new, to me, Brother industrial sewing machine, which is super cool. So in the process of getting this ready to use, I have a couple of things I need to do. Number one, I need to read the manual, figure out how to work it. But number two is I want to have better light. So it does come with a light here, and it looks like the wing nut is busted off a little bit, so I'll have to replace that wing nut. But when you follow this wire down, you can see that the wire for the lamp is connected here. Now, I'm sure that's a perfectly fine, perfectly safe connection. I'm sure that's perfectly fine. But I have a 4-foot LED light bar. It's been gathering dust in the corner for a while. So let me hook that up. So here's what I want to do. This sewing machine, it has this arm here. So you put your spools of thread on the posts here. They then, run into the machine and does its thing. But it's got this arm here. Now I'm sure that this arm is used for something to do with the thread. It looks identical to the one below it, so maybe you're supposed to have like a second set of spools on top. I don't know. But what I was thinking is that it would make not a bad place to mount my light bar. Now, this light bar, it does have these clips, which you would then like clip into the ceiling or like whatever cabinet you're under. But when I look at the spacing, it's not going to line up for that screw to go through that hole. So, when in doubt, raid the scrap wood pile. I've got a piece of scrap wood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it up here, and I'm going to mark these holes with a Sharpie. Go fire up the drill press, pre-drill a couple holes. Oops. See, this is why I want to do it too. I'm going to do this off camera because I need two hands for this thing. So I'm going to drill a couple holes. I'm going to put a couple of wood screws in there and get this all nice and tight. Then I'm going to put the light bar underneath our wood. And then that way I'll have a nice sturdy arm here for that light bar to hang off of, and I've got all sorts of light that I need. So, what I'm going to do from here is I need two hands for this job. So I'm going to put the camera down. I'll take a snapshot of each stage so that you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll edit this together and show it to you in a minute. So bear with me for just a second. Okay, so I've got my holes pre-drilled into my wood, and I've got my screws picked out. I just picked a handful of Robertson screws from a junk drawer, and I am Canadian, so I believe the Robertson screws are the superior screw, and that is a hill I absolutely will die on. So, next, what we need to do is I'm going to hold this up here with the one hand, and then I'm going to use my old hand crank screwdriver. Oh, wait a minute, that needs two hands. I'm going to need some duct tape. Yeah, I need a third hand, and my kids are in school. So I'm going to go find myself a roll of duct tape, and I'll be back in a minute. There we go. Okay, so I now have some tape on my scrap of wood. It is every bit as safe as it looks. Don't worry, it's only temporary. So, let's see here. Oh. start at this end. Okay, there's one, there's two, okay. There. So now I can take my tape off. It is no longer structural tape. There we go. And now what I need to do is secure this underneath. So this has these two clips here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the one clip off and I'll screw it on from underneath down here. I'll do the other one out here, and then that way we're all set. You know what? I think I'm going to need... I need a smaller screwdriver for this one, though. Here, I'll use this one. Okay. Now the next one. Over here. Okay, perfect. Now I can just clip this in. There we go. Now I just need to plug this into a wall outlet and we're all set. Oh, wait, you know what? Here, we'll do it this way. I got a light over there. And let there be light. Haha! Yes! So now I've got lots of light, and this is a little wobbly, but you know what? I think we can live with that. I can make improvements, but this way, here. Take you off of this here. Okay, so because I'm just using the arm, I'm going into screwing into the wood. If I need this arm for something else, I haven't actually hurt the metal at all. All I'm doing is just using those holes. It's scrap wood that I had lying around, and that's my light bar. That's got all sorts of light right around here. Perfect. And I can swing it around. Aces. Okay. I knew I kept that thing in the corner for a reason. So, thank you for watching this fun little video. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And we'll see you on the next installment of Adventures with the Sewing Machine. See you later.